O'Malley!
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the most anticipated animated movies of the year, Kung Fu Panda 4. After years of waiting, Po returns for another exciting adventure filled with action, comedy, friendship, and important life lessons. The movie continues the journey of Po, the dragon warrior. But this time, the challenge is very different. Master Shifu tells Po that it is time for him to move on from his role as the dragon warrior. However, Shifu explains that every great warrior must eventually grow into a greater responsibility. Po must now find and train a successor. While Po struggles with this new mission, a dangerous new villain appears. Her name is the Chameleon. The Chameleon possesses magical powers that allow her to transfer into other creatures. During his journey, Po meets a clever and talented fox named Jane. At first, Po doesn't fully trust her, but as they spend more time together, Po realizes that she has a good heart. Their friendship grows naturally throughout the story. The animation in Kung Fu Panda 4 is absolutely stunning. The visuals are colorful, vibrant, and full of energy. One of the most impressive aspects of the movie is how it balances humor and emotion. Jack Black once again delivers on excellent performance as Po. The action sequences are fast-paced and entertaining. Another important message in the movie is that leadership is not about being the strongest person in the room. True leadership comes from helping others become their best selves. Overall, Kung Fu Panda 4 is a fun, entertaining, and visually spectacular animated adventure. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next one.